Hi guys! So today we are going to make some rhubarb pie. But first of all, we're going to pick some rhubarb in my backyard because my rhubarb is overgrown and I don't want to waste it. So I decided to make some rhubarb today. So let's go outside and pick some. There is my rhubarb. Right here. So here we go guys, we got a rhubarb stem. So we're going to wash this and chop this and so on. We're gonna go and prepare the rest of the stuff to make some rhubarb pie. Well, now after washing our rhubarb, we're just gonna chop it in small pieces like that. There you go, rhubarb is all chopped up. So this is around probably 6 cups of chopped fresh rhubarbs. Into a rhubarb, we're going to add in 1 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup all-purpose flour, 1 beaten egg, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Just mix this all up. Mix it well, just like that. Okay. So we're just transferring our rhubarb mix into our pie plate lined with a pie shell. It's a store-bought pie shell actually, or pie crust. So there you go. For our pie topping, we're going to mix 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup brown sugar, 4 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, 1/2 cup of softened butter or chilled butter. And we only need to just crumble this. Mix this all up until it turns crumbly. Can use our hands to mix it up. We'll take our rhubarb and put our crumb toppings on top. Here we go guys. Now we're going to stick this into our oven for 1 hour at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, there you go. Into our oven at 350 degrees for 1 hour. There you go guys, 1 hour later our rhubarb pie is ready. Look at this, look at this. Make sure you have to let this cool down completely before you start eating. It's just a little bit too hot right now. And it's best served with ice cream or whipped cream. Yummy! Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoy this recipe and give this recipe a try. It's really easy, simple, and yet delicious. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and comment. And hope to see you around, and press the notification bell button too, so you get notified for my latest video. Thank you so much. Bye.